Hi guys, it's 3 a.m. Says right there, look, it's 3 a.m. Right there, it's 3 a.m. Let me go over there and let you guys see. Look, it's clearly 3:22. So it's clearly 3 a.m. Look, it's still dark because it's 3 a.m. Now, let's fill up my water bottle. It overflowed. It's okay now. No. Bisaya time. So, what to di ay magsamal, guys. Ano day si Benten, guys, oh. Hi. Next week na ang, guys, ang eskwela, guys. Next week na. Diri sa Pilipinas, next week na ang eskwela. Rebicha, nanigasuki, chokominto ayare mo anata. Maghulat pa ko na mula ka na, nagpaandar ako sakyanan si Papa kay ibalhin niya battery ang sakyanan. Ito na nagsamay, makita na ko ako ang kambal.